Hello YouTube friends, how you guys doing? Today I'm making this video. I'm going to install a deadbolt lock on this door. This is the tool I'm going to use. I bought this tool at Freight, so you can find it online also, anywhere online. Just look for wood door lock installation kit, and then you'll find many options. So for this job you need a pencil, and then I also bought this. You're going to need this too. I will show you how you can use this. And then you need chisel. Where is mine? You're also going to need some chisel set. So you'll see how I'm gonna use them. Okay, here's the first tool we're going to use. And then remember, if your door is too thin, if this doesn't fit, you can pull this and then turn it, so you can have a good fit on your door, both sides. You can do both sides like that. Okay, even this side, you can switch them to make it fit on your door. All right, so this way fits pretty well on my door, so I'm gonna show you. Okay, all right, like that. And then what you can do, if you have a different door in your house that has a deadbolt, go ahead and measure the distance between them, so you can do the same thing. Okay, so now once you put it there, and then get you some screws. You're going to screw right there to hold it tight, and then once you're done, we're going to drill. Okay, get this tool. You're going to find a drill bit. You're going to put it inside first, and then you're going to tie this. Okay, you tie this really tight, and then get your drill. Get your drill. Okay, get your drill really tight. Okay, and then now we're ready to drill the hole. Okay, first thing you have to do, place this right here, and then put your screws. All right, make sure you measure the distance between this. So mine is like three, I would say three in between, 3 centimeters in between. Okay, so now finish screw. Okay, so now make sure you put the drill with the little bit right here. Try to put it in the middle, center it, make sure it's center, and then we're going to drill this hole right here. Okay, and then be patient, take your time. Okay, when you go on the other side, make sure you can see the bait. And then now you're going to remove your drill and come on this side now. So we finished with the hole for the deadbolt. So now here's what you're going to need to do. You're going to do this side now. We're going to drill this, but we're going to change the tool and add the small one, like this one. This is what we're going to use on the drill. Now we're going to use the small one. Okay, make sure it's tight, make sure it's center and tight. Make sure it's center. Take your time. Okay, we got it done. Alright, everything looks good. Get your drill. Now it's time to unscrew this right here. So before you put the deadbolt, you're going to get this part right here that comes with your deadbolt. You're going to put it there. And then get you a pen or a pencil, and then you're going to mark it. That's what we're going to cut to make it flush. Okay, mark it. Okay, once you're finished, take it out. You're going to get your chisel. You're going to put some pressure on it, mark it. Be careful because this is a sharp tool, very sharp. Okay, I think it's good. We're ready. Yeah, it's okay now.
Once you start this, now it's time to put the lock. So this one going on the outside. Put it. You see a hole, a square hole right there, and then put it there. Okay. And then now do the same thing. Put this there. Make sure you match the hole and then turn it. Get your screws. And then put it there. Screw it with your hand first. And then after you can get the drill to finish it. Okay. Now get your drill slowly. Okay. Once you're done, make sure you check to see if everything is fine.
Okay, we got one more step to go. So we have to make a hole right there so we can lock it. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you what to do to make the hole. I'm going to put some paint right here, just a little bit, just to see, and then we're going to close it just a little bit. You don't have to put too much. If you don't have paint, you can use nail polish, anything, you know. And then we're going to close it. As you can see, here's the paint right here, and then I'm going to use the 3/4 to make the hole right here. Make sure you center it. Take your time, be patient. And once you close the door, it should fit right away. Okay. So we are set. You can use the same process to make sure after you drill your hole, you can do the same process to make this flush on the wall. Use your pencil, and after you can use your chisel to, make it flush there. Alright, thank you guys for watching.